Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word aggravate. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is aggravate. Let's break it down. First, we have ag, which sounds like ag in agony. Next is ru, a quick, unstressed syllable like the ra in sofa. Finally, vite, which rhymes with late and great. Now let's put it all together. Aggravate. Try repeating after me, aggravate. Now a little faster, aggravate. And at full speed, aggravate. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Aggravate means to make something worse, such as a problem or a situation. It can also mean to irritate or annoy someone. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce aggravate and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.